Ever plugged in your pen drive only to realize it doesn't work on Mac or Windows? Don't worry, I've got the fix. In this video, I will show you the correct way to format any pen drive so it works perfectly on both Mac and Windows, safely, quickly, and without tech headaches. And for those who want a one-click solution, I built a tool that does everything for you. To format a pen drive to be compatible with both Mac and Windows, follow these simple steps. Plug in your pen drive. Open File Explorer. Right-click the USB drive. Select Format. The file system is the format or structure you use to store data on the USB drive. In the File System dropdown, select Extended File Allocation Table. Windows and Mac can read and write this file system without any extra software or tools. This file system also provides 16 exabytes as the maximum size of a single file you can store on the drive. For reference, 1 terabyte is equal to 1024 gigabytes. 1 petabyte is equal to 1024 terabytes. And 1 exabyte is equal to 1024 petabytes. So 16 exabytes is enormous and not a practical limitation for everyday users. You can enter a volume label, which is optional. When you format a USB drive, you will often see the quick format option. When checked, the format finishes in seconds and it only clears the file table, not the actual data, which makes the drive appear empty and ready to use. And this is ideal for everyday formatting, reusing a USB stick and switching file systems. Even though the data isn't fully erased, it is no longer accessible through normal means. If you uncheck the quick format, the process is much slower. It can take minutes or even hours depending on the drive size. It scans the entire drive for bad sectors and completely overwrites all data, which is basically ideal if you suspect corruption or bad sectors, or you are selling or giving away the drive for privacy reasons. For most users, quick format is the best choice, which is fast and effective. Click Start, then click OK to confirm. If you have been following along and you are thinking this seems like a lot of steps, the process can be automated. I have created the USB formatter, a one-click tool that automatically detects your USB drive, format it to work perfectly on both Windows and Mac, and does it all without any guesswork, commands, or risk. You don't need to memorize anything I have shown you. This tool handles it in seconds. Click the link pinned in the comment section or video description to download the USB formatter tool. Your browser will download a zip file. Open the downloaded file. Double-click on the tool. Confirm the prompt to run the tool. A black command window will appear. An important reminder will be displayed, indicating that anything on the USB drive will be deleted. The tool will automatically detect the USB pen drive on your system. Type yes to continue. The pen drive will be formatted with the Extended File Allocation Table system, which is supported by both Windows and macOS. My drive was previously formatted as NTFS, which is Windows only in most cases. Now it's been changed to Extended File Allocation Table, which is ideal for cross-platform usage. The entire storage is now clean and available. A success message will confirm everything went as expected. Use this tool to format any USB drive with a single click. No typing, no guessing, no risk of messing up your main drive.